Here's the wildest space story you'll hear this week. An interstellar object called 3I Atlas just swung past the sun, turned bright blue at perihelion on October 29th, and it's heading for a close approach to Earth on December 19, 2025. That date could be the moment we finally decide: natural comet or something engineered. Quick origin story. Tracing its path backward, 3I Atlas came from the direction of Sagittarius, near the Milky Way's galactic center, arriving from the southern sky and opposite the sun's motion through the galaxy. A study published in July 2025 estimated it might be 7.6 to 14 billion years old, potentially the oldest comet ever observed. If that upper bound holds, it's older than our solar system. Now the strange part. 3I Atlas isn't behaving like a typical comet. Astronomers report 8 distinct deviations from its expected trajectory, enough to earn it a rank 4 on the Loeb scale of anomalous motion. It also shows exotic chemistry and, most dramatically, a jet that flipped direction, an anti-tail pointing toward the sun that reversed. Some see ordinary physics in unusual conditions. Others wonder if that looks a bit like braking. Then, acceleration. There's more. As it approached the sun, researchers flagged the first confirmed evidence of non-gravitational acceleration. If simple outgassing drives that push, momentum math says it should lose roughly 10% of its total mass during just a month near the sun. That's a lot. And then there's the WOW signal connection. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb pointed out that in August 1977, days before the famous narrowband radio burst nicknamed WOW, the object's trajectory was only a few degrees off from the signal's sky position. The alignment probability if both directions were random is around 0.6%. The signal was also slightly blue-shifted by about 10 kilometers per second toward Earth, similar to, but smaller than the expected approach speed of 3I Atlas relative to the Sun. It's not proof, but it's a tantalizing coincidence. Meanwhile, the object briefly vanished from observations and then reappeared, which, combined with its odd behavior, has 2 spacecraft now racing to get a better look. If we can directly sample the coma or resolve the jets, we might finally explain those accelerations. The blue appearance at perihelion reignited the debate over technological versus natural origin. Blue could come from ionized gases or specific dust scattering, natural effects. But if the accelerations aren't consistent with outgassing and the jet flips aren't tied to solar heating or rotation, the alternative becomes more interesting.